हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू नीरजा's एल्गोरिथम। जो मुझे जानते नहीं है, मैं उन्हें अपना नाम भी बता देती हूँ। मेरा नाम है नीरजा, आप सबके लिए एक मैथ्स टीचर। आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस। सबके लिए डिफिकल्ट, मेरे लिए भी था एक लेवल पर, लेकिन क्या करें, उसको सिंपल बना लिया। किसके लिए? सिर्फ आप लोगों के लिए। कहाँ से? शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स, मजेदार शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स। जब आप ये वीडियो शुरू करेंगे आपको मजा क्यों आएगा? क्योंकि आपने सोचा ही नहीं होगा कि ऐसे प्रॉफिट लॉस के ऐसे ट्रिक्स भी होते हैं। तो आपको ये वीडियो मेरे लिए नहीं, अपने लिए देखना जरूर होगा, और ऐसे ही बहुत सारे वीडियोस हम बनाएंगे आपके लिए। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो। Now the next question is, a TV manufacturer sells two TV at rupees 9,000 each and he earned a profit of 10% on the first and 10% loss on the another TV. What is his net profit or loss percent? I know कि all of you know the procedure how we will do it, but I am telling you the short tricks. First of all, we need to see कि the profit and the loss are same. If the profit and the loss are same, that means loss percent will come, and the formula will be loss percent is equal to 10 into 10 by 100. That become 1%. So simple, means the answer will be x into x by 100%, because both profit and loss are same. We get our answer in I think 5 to 10 seconds. Let's start with another question. A man sold two articles for rupees 600 each. On selling first, he gains 20%, and on the other, he gains 30%. Here, the profit and the loss are different. What is the profit percent in the transaction? Because he is gaining, so naturally it will be a gain. Now what will happen? The formula become, I am writing this first solution and then I am explaining it you. 200 plus it becomes. Now the question number 3, if the cost price of 18 article is equal to the selling price of the 15 article, then what is gain percent? Very often question, every time all students can see or can recognize, wow, this question we can get it in a easy way. I am explaining you. See here, it would be this become 18, this become minus 15 by the price, selling price into 100. I got it. The cost price 3 by 15 into 100 and it become 5. 20% is your answer. So easy to get it, the gain percent. Please make a note for that. The gain percent, when the question of this type will be coming, it is equals to the cost price, means like a x minus y by y into 100. Means the cost price minus selling. It means which is more, you need to keep it here. If loss percent means do the ulta of that. If the SP will be more, you will get the loss percent. Fine, I know that you will understand everything. Come to the fourth question. A merchant makes price of the article 20% above the cost price and allows a 10% discount also on the marked price. What is that profit percent does he make? When we read the question, so many things will come and so many formulas we can get it. But for according to the competition, next question is, if the oranges are bought at the rate of 27 for a rupee, how many must be sold for a rupee in order to gain a 35%? Now there will be a formula. I am writing first the how to do. 2700 by 100 plus percentage is 35. Now it becomes 27 into 100 by 135. 9 3s are, and it become 9 1s are 15. 5 and 20% is your answer. So simple to came the answer. I'm writing the formula how I got it. What is the cost price at the rate of? So I am writing the cost price 100 by 100 plus gain percent. Make a note for these short tricks. Now coming to the next question. A person buys 12 eggs for rupees 15 and sells them at 10 for rupees 14. What does he gain or loss percent? First of all, I am writing the cost price for number of things. 12 eggs or 15 is the price. Again the same thing, 10 eggs for rupees 14. Now what we will do, the make a note for that, I am writing. Now the next question is A sells a bicycle to B at profit of 15%, B sells to C at a profit of 20%. Find the resultant profit percent. What will be the profit percent? Now the question is like that, but the answer will be very simple. See here, the answer will be 15 plus 20. It will be plus 15 into 20 by 100 into, sorry, make it a percentage. Now it becomes 15 plus 20 is 35. 0 and 0 cancel, 5 and 3. I got my answer in 5 seconds. 38% is the answer. Write the formula, or you can say a short trick. Profit, profit. Naturally I am getting a profit only. So what will be the answer? P1 plus P2 plus P1 into P2 by 100. How simple it is. Let's see the another question. I took the variety of the question from that. See, Ramesh sells a scooter to Manoj at a profit of 20% and Manoj sells it to Golu at a loss of 15%. Find the resultant profit or loss percent. Now, what would be the profit or the loss percent you will get it? It will be a loss. I am finding a, sorry, profit percent again. The answer will be because the loss. This is the end of the today's video. आपने देखा प्रॉफिट और लॉस जो कि सभी के लिए डिफिकल्ट होता है एक लेवल पे, लेकिन मैंने उसे बहुत इजीली आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है. जो ट्रिक्स हैं आप गो थ्रू होइए, आपको मजा आएगा. और ऐसे बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के वीडियोस आपके लिए आने वाले हैं, तो उसके लिए आपको मेरे साथ स्टिक रहना पड़ेगा. बी विद मी, like my video and subscribe also. Don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you very much.